Even if you're never going to use CAD yourself, you still may want to get a basic understanding of how things work in CAD. Compare, for example, to politics. I'm never going to be a politician, and that's a good thing. But I still want to know about politics. I want to know how it works. To me, Fusion 360, a CAD program, turns out to be much easier to learn than I guessed it would be. I watched some excellent tutorials made by Lars Christensen, the first one to be found here. Making notes and practicing along the way, after some 10 hours I considered myself ready to start drawing the virtual Delage model. Of course, as a beginner I will make errors, but I felt confident enough to start. Right now my drawing looks like this. Fusion 360 can be freely downloaded if you're a hobbyist. In this video I will show how easy the basics of CAD are, by drawing a bolt in 2.5 minutes. Before we can make a 3-dimensional shape, we first have to draw a 2-dimensional shape by creating a sketch. On the sketch, we draw a hexagon. Let's say the radius is 50. We apply a constraint so that the shape stands vertical. And then we extrude the shape so that it becomes 3D. Now we will make a new sketch on top of the hex. It's going to be a circle approximately 50 millimeters in diameter. This circle we are also going to extrude, making it a cylinder. We'll round off the end by applying a fillet. Note how easy it is to make a thread. Also, the head of the bolt needs to be rounded off. For that I move to side view . I'll draw an arc . Connect the ends of the arc with lines. And now I created something of a blade. I choose the bolt center as an axis for rotation. And the blade makes a 360-degree cutting action. Now the head of the bolt is rounded off. And there you have it, a simple bolt. Thank you again for your time. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.